Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you a Streamlit project that I am currently working on. It is remove personal or private information from your PDF documents with GPT 3.5, and the application is for Streamlit LLM Hackathon. Let me first provide a little bit of background for this application. This project actually comes from a real user case during my work as a data engineer. So in the world, data becomes more and more important. Many of our stakeholders are very interested in the power of large language models, for example, like ChatGPT, but they are very reluctant to use them because they are afraid of leaking data or leaking any documents to OpenAI. They don't trust OpenAI. So the data privacy issue is becoming a more and more important, and it's becoming a must for an enterprise for stakeholders to rethink about how they deal with private data, how to identify and remove personal information from any documents they want to provide to OpenAI in case of being involved in any possible legal cases in the future. Normally, in the past, we need a lot of human labor to remove such personal information from the documents because we don't want to have any personal information left in the documents. Project. However, this application actually provides a new way for us to utilize large language models to accelerate the usual data masking and data de-identification process. You may argue that when doing so with GPT 3.5, you are also leaking data to OpenAI. So what's the point of doing that? The thing you may need to understand is that the project is only aiming to provide a possibility to leverage large language models, and there are also a lot of other private large language models in the market, such as Llama 2, and there are also LLMs under supervisions. For example, Microsoft Azure GPT. You can absolutely apply the same pipeline I present here to any other large language models to make sure that the whole pipeline is completely private and reliable. But for the demo only, I will use GPT 3.5 for simplicity. If you have any other ideas or questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I leave all my contact information below of the sidebar, and you can also view the source code from the GitHub. So let's dive into the application to see how it actually works. So the first thing that you need to do is to copy your OpenAI API key here to enable GPT 3.5. If you don't have one, you can easily apply one from OpenAI portal. And the second thing you need to do is to upload a PDF file that you want to remove personal information. So here I choose this Wikipedia page of Joe Biden. And now the model is running. So once the document is uploaded, the model will run immediately to detect the words, detect the personal information. So you can see that the model provides a list of phrases and words that it considered to be personal information or private information. And let's see the results in for the first iteration. And you can see on the left side, it is the original file, but on the right side is the file that already been removed and information detected by GPT 3.5. And you can see that It is actually working quite good because it already removed many of the personal information, for example, Joe Biden, the name, and also some of the um, address, the location. But you may also discover that some information left. For example, Joe Biden was born November 20th, 1942. This information is important, but it is not being detected by GPT 3.5. But we can remove it by modifying the list of the redact phrases here. The way to do that is by adding November 20, 1942 here. And let's see the results again. And you can see that the information has been removed immediately. It's, you can do it multiple times until the filter PDF is satisfying, and then you can export the filter PDF. It will immediately download the PDF for you. And that's it. And that's how it works here. I hope you will find this application very helpful. Thank you for listening.